So now we're going to do slope from the table, rate of change from the table. So what I'm going to ask you to do is to please copy this table. Okay, so to find the slope from a table, remember, here's the thing, when you do y-intercept, it's just one number, it's just this 8. The y-intercept is the 8. When you do rate though, rate of change, slope, it's two numbers, two things are changing. The y's are changing and the x values are changing. And that's what slope is, this rate over this rate. So please get an orange highlighter. And we're going to see the difference between these two. So we're going to write m equals, m stands for slope, m is the movement, m is the steps, m is the rate of change. Now don't take up too much space because we need like the bottom 3 lines, just so you know. Okay, you're going to need the bottom 3 for something else. So m equals, remember it's a rate, so it's a number of steps over the number of minutes or the number of money over the number of months. It's two different numbers over each other. So it would be 12 minus 9. That would be the first number, and that equals to 3. And then with the green marker, I'm finding the difference between these two. It's 2 minus 1 equals 1. Okay, that's your slope.
That's orange?
This is orange on top.
Wait, what's in front of it? Equal or minus?
That's a, I put equals. Now, this is the formula, which I'm hoping you have seen before. Now, you could do it from the table, and you could just say 9 minus 12 is, or 12 minus, so we subtract going upward. That's why I put that arrow there. That's why it's 12 minus 9. That's a difference of 3. That's your change. It's a change of 3. You could do, again, we subtract upward, so 2 minus 1, a difference of 1. Okay? So when you take your quiz on Wednesday, I'm expecting to see this, and I'm expecting to see this. I'm expecting to see both things. Yes? I'm going to write the formula up here. It's the same thing, you're just subtracting 12 minus 9. But I'm going to write the formula up here. I hope you've seen it before. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, it's the same thing, you're subtracting the y's over the subtracting the x's. And we subtract upward. Okay, so that's why it's not 9 minus 12, it's 12 minus 9. Okay, everybody see the arrows? Make sure you have the arrows. When I grade page 23, I would like to see the arrows. I'll put them in this so make sure everybody understands. We subtract upward. So, I'm expecting to see this when you take your quiz. I'm expecting to see this one. Now, for this, it should look like the quiz that we took. And if it does, your quiz does not look like this, please make sure you have it. See how we did from 12 to 5, it was a difference of 3. From 4 to 0, it was a difference of 4. Okay? And I need to see this, but then at the bottom, I would need to see m equals, please do this on your quiz, I would need to see 12 minus 15, subtracting upward, and then 4 minus 0. That's how we got the negative 3, and that's how we got the 4. Okay, so I'm expecting to see both things when you take your quiz and when you do your homework assignments and your test and whatever else we do. There's your orange difference, there's your green difference. Change of y over the changes of x.